Good morning, Standard 4. Children, today we are going to start our third chapter, Editing in Word. Okay, it's a word processing software, MS Word. So today we are going to I'm going to teach you this chapter, this software, MS Word, word processing software, MS Word. This is the most popular software which is used for creating text document. Okay, text document. It is a word processing software. Okay. In standard 3 also you have learned about MS Word. This window is not new for you. You already have worked upon this window. So you are already knowing about the parts of this window. Okay, title bar, quick access toolbar, office button, file button. You are already familiar with cursor, ruler, document area. Okay, you can see I'm showing all the parts again. Standard 3 you have learned it. This is title bar. Okay, showing you application name, Microsoft Word, and document name, document 1. These are close button, minimize button, and restore button. And on the left side I have office button, but in your computer it is the file tab. Okay, this is quick access toolbar. These are tabs: home, insert, page layout, reference, review, view, and these are groups: clipboard, font, paragraph. You are already familiar with this window. This is document area, and the blinking line which you are seeing, it is cursor. Okay, so you are already knowing this window. Word processor software. Okay, this is word processor software because it has several features of word processing, like changing the text which is typed. You can change this text. Okay, means its font, color, style you can change. So next you can make copy of this text. You can move this text from one place to another. Then spelling correction can be done, grammar correction can be done through this MS Word software. How many words you have typed, that can be counted. Okay, alignment, left alignment, right alignment. Okay, alignment can be changed. Okay, several features are there in MS Word software. Okay, find and replace option is there. You can find out any word which you are not getting in a big document. If you have a large number of pages, so to find a particular word, it is very difficult. But with the help of find option, we can do this. Okay, find and replace. Text can be made attractive. Then pictures and tables can be inserted. And before printing a document, we can see its preview. Okay, so these are features of MS Word software. Okay, parts I have shown you just now, and you know all the parts. Okay, ruler. 2 rulers are there, horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. This is horizontal ruler. Okay, this is used to set margin, left margin and right margin. Okay, this is vertical ruler. This is used to set top margin and bottom margin. Okay, you are already knowing this. Cursor, blinking vertical line is called cursor. Okay, status bar, bottom of the window. Here you can see this is status bar. It shows the status of the document, on which page we are typing, how many pages we are typed, how many words have been typed. Okay, so this type of status we can see through the status bar. Okay, and there are 2 scroll bars. This is vertical, horizontal. 2 scroll bars we use. Okay, to move page up and down, left and right. Clear? Now, ribbon, you are already familiar with this ribbon. Okay, here this is ribbon: home, insert, page layout. These are tabs: view, review. These are tabs. And home tab, it is selected, so it's showing all groups of home tab: clipboard, font, paragraph, styles. Editing, these are groups. Okay, clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and editing. Whichever tab you will click, it will show its group. Okay, pages, table, illustration, links, header and footer, text, symbols. Okay. So together, groups and tab together are called ribbon. Okay. So this is ribbon. Now our next topic is editing text. Editing text. Editing text means making changes over the text. Okay. Example, I already typed 2 sentences. There are many famous landmarks. Some of them are. So text I already typed there. Now we are going to do editing over this text. Okay. Editing means here we can insert new line, existing line can be deleted. Okay. Then inserting a new page, copying text, then moving text from one place to another. Okay. So this is called editing. And now see, we are going to edit this text. Okay. First topic is inserting text. Okay. So now in this sentence, there are many famous landmarks in our country. In our country, not written there. So first of all, you place your cursor where you want to insert text. So I placed my cursor after landmarks. Okay. So now start typing. In our country, I and in, give space, in COUNTARY. Country. This way we can insert text. Okay. Inserting text. In our country it was not written there. So place your cursor wherever you have to insert new text and then start typing. Okay. Done. Inserting a blank line. Inserting a blank line. Suppose here. Place your cursor. Okay, after which you want a blank line. After this, if you want blank line, okay, so blank line has come. Again, you keep cursor at the last of the line and press enter key. So blank line will be inserted. You can see. And if you want to remove this blank line, press delete key. Understood? Okay. Blank line can be inserted. Okay. Then inserting a blank page. Understood now how to insert blank line? Take cursor to the end of the line and press enter key. So blank line will be inserted. Now inserting a blank page. To insert blank page, you have to select insert tab. Okay, which tab? Insert tab. Here is insert tab. And this is blank page option. Okay, click on this. You will see blank page. Appeared. Blank page has come. Okay, this is blank page. Now selecting text. I'm going to open a text. Okay, this is text. Selecting text. Text you want to select. Selection, all of you know, it is very important. To do any changes over the text now, first of all, it should be selected. You know it. In standard 3 also you have learned about the selection of text. Okay. So selection of text can be done through mouse and through keyboard. Okay, page number 30. Open your page number 30. Procedure is written. How to select text using mouse and how to select text using keyboard. Okay, both methods are given. First of all, we will see through mouse. Okay, so through mouse, if you have to select a word, so do double click. First you bring your cursor over the word once. I brought my cursor on the word once. Okay, double click. So that word is selected through double click. Okay, to select word we have to do double click over the word. Understood? Again you see farmer. Bring cursor here, double click. Okay, so to select word double click. Now to select line. To select line, suppose this first line if you have to select, bring your pointer front of the line at the left margin here. This is left margin. Your pointer you bring it here. Okay, and then click. So you can see the whole line is selected. Okay, whichever line you want to see, select, bring your pointer and click. So line will be selected. Now to select paragraph. To select paragraph. Okay, bring your cursor inside the paragraph. Okay, this is paragraph. Here is the cursor. Okay, inside the paragraph. And now thrice, 3 times you have to press left mouse button. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Okay, 3. Understood? See again. Okay, double click selects word and thrice if you press, then whole paragraph will be selected. Clear? Now see, if you want to select a sentence, means from beginning the sentence, place your cursor at the beginning of the sentence. Suppose this one. The farmer bought a special goose who laid a golden egg every day. So place your cursor beginning of the sentence, beginning of the sentence. Okay. Now what you have to do? Press control key. Okay. Control key. You have to hold control key. And now you see that sentence is selected. Okay, till full stop it is selected. Clear now? Means first of all you have to place cursor at the beginning of the sentence, hold control key and then click left mouse button. Okay, so sentence will be selected. So these are 4 procedures for selecting text. Okay, through mouse. Now we will see keyboard procedure. Okay, so if you have to, whichever word, whichever line, whichever sentence you have to select now, first you place your cursor at the beginning, hold shift key and press right arrow key. You can see letter by letter it is selecting. Okay, letter by letter. If you press right arrow key, so all right side of the letters, right side letters will be selected. Okay, now if you want to select towards the left side, hold shift key and press left arrow key. So selection will be towards the left side. Okay, understood? Shift key and arrow key. With this combination you can select letters. Okay, line, sentence, whatever you have to select, it can be done. Okay, press and arrow key, shift and arrow key. Now if you want to select text word wise, not letter wise, word wise. Okay, so what you have to do, place your cursor at the beginning, hold Control and Shift key, Control and Shift key, both keys. Then start pressing right arrow key. Now you can see word by word. Time a farmer and his wife lived in a. So what happened? Word wise it had selected. Okay. So Control, Shift key and arrow key. These three keys combination. Okay. Select word. It selects text word wise. Okay. Word by word. Word by word. I hope you understood this. Okay. Shift and arrow key will select text letter by letter. Control, Shift and then arrow key, if you press no, so it will select word by word. Clear? So selection can be done through mouse and through keyboard. It's very easy. All of you can do this. Okay. Deleting text. You know, deleting text. It is very easy. Okay. Whichever text you want to delete, you keep your cursor there. Suppose farmer you want to delete. So to delete right side of the cursor, here is the cursor, right to its left side of the cursor. So we use backspace key. Okay, backspace key. Backspace key deletes from left of the cursor and delete key deletes from right of the cursor. Okay, see here, right side of the cursor. Clear? Okay. Clear? Now if you have to delete word wise, okay, again I am keeping my cursor between words farmer and. Okay, so if I have to delete farmer word, whole word, hold Control key and press backspace. In one go, whole word will be deleted, isn't it? And if I have to delete right side of the cursor, okay, so hold Control key and press delete. You can see word which was on the right side of the cursor now is deleted, है ना? So Control key is used to delete whole word. Okay, and if you have to delete only letters, okay, so press backspace key for left side of cursor and press delete key for right side of the cursor. Okay, but if you want to delete word wise, okay, whole word in one go, so hold Control key and then press backspace or delete key. Clear? Simple, no? It's very easy. I hope you understood this. Now in next video I will explain you about copying text and moving text. Okay.